Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Yeah, not what you'd expect, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Skipping breakfast is a bad habit that can have negative consequences for your health. Good health demands that we eat breakfast every day, as it helps to jumpstart our metabolism and provides the energy we need to get using the day. When we skip breakfast, we are more likely to make unhealthy choices later in the day and are more likely to experience fatigue and low energy levels. Playing dominoes can have some benefits for your health. The puzzle aspect of the game can help enhance your problem-solving skills, plus the act of physically placing the dominoes can be a good way to get some light exercise. Moreover, because dominoes is a social game, it can be an amazing way to meet new people and stay connected with friends and family, all of which are essential for maintaining good mental and physical health. There are several benefits to massaging your back, as it can help improve your overall health. Touch is a powerful tool that can help moderate stress and pain, and increase relaxation. Massaging your back can also help enhance circulation and promote healing. Apricots are a type of fruit that is often overlooked, but they can really be quite good for your health. Apricots are a great source of fiber. Fiber is important for keeping the digestive system healthy and regular. It can also help to lower cholesterol levels and prevent heart disease. Apricots contain minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These minerals are vital for preserving proper muscle function and keeping the heart healthy.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.